At a time when the state's rate of depression and suicide is rising, a critical tool for those in need is going away. The Crisis Connection is a 24-hour-a-day hotline for people facing mental health challenges, but funding it has been a problem. As Bill Hudson explains, when a requested state grant went away in the state budget standoff, its operators had no choice but to close the call center down.
The Crisis Connection hotline has been around for years and handles about 50,000 calls each year. Pretty soon, people in need will have to call elsewhere, a casualty of politics. The closure comes at a time of growing need, as mental health and suicide prevention services are seeing more demand.
It is absolutely a loss in our state.
The Crisis Connection is a statewide hotline. It had local counselors taking calls, but staffing the hotline is expensive. The private nonprofit Canvas Health requested $1 million of state help to continue.
Mental health crises happen everywhere across the state.
In a battle over spending priorities, Governor Dayton vetoed the supplemental bonding bill. Department of Human Services Commissioner Emily Piper.
Suicide has increased exponentially over the last several years, so we're really concerned about it. We want to make sure that we're responsive to those needs.
While Crisis Connection is closing, there are still lots of options available.
Still, mental health advocates say much help remains. Counties are required to offer crisis lines. There are currently 43 available. In the 7-county metro, people in need can dial **crisis.
Sometimes people just need someone to talk to. It isn't that you're going to send out, a mobile crisis team or things like that. You just need someone to talk to you at that moment in time.
The Crisis Connection hotline handled calls other than mental health issues, also taking in calls from people facing gambling addiction and farmers struggling with problems on the farm. The state agencies promise that they will find a place for those calls to go, and those services will continue. In St. Paul, Bill Hudson, WCCO 4 News.
Mental health professionals say the helpline **crisis will soon expand to statewide.